Hello good people, welcome to another practice session. In this video, we are going to solve this perimeter problem. This problem says, let R be the region enclosed by f of x equal to x squared, that is a parabola, and g of x equal to 6 plus 4x minus x squared, that is the equation of another parabola. And the question says, set up but do not evaluate the integrals to find the perimeter of R. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of any shape. First, let's think about the question, then we will start guiding you to the solution of this problem. In this problem, we can see there are two parabolas and there is a region enclosed by these two parabolas. That means the whole region is bounded by these two parabolas. That means these two parabolas collide at some points. Now we are going to solve these two equations to find the intersecting points. For that, we set the equation f of x equals g of x, which gives us this equation. We can see this is a quadratic equation. That means this equation will have two roots, meaning two intersecting points between these two parabolas. We solve this quadratic equation and we get two intersecting points, let's say x1 and x2. I'm not going to solve the exact equation, but you can do it yourself. Now we can easily imagine that there are two parabolas intersecting at point x1 and x2. We do not need to draw the exact graph of these functions, but we can roughly do it without using any graphing calculator or machine. Let's say these two are our two graphs, and we have two intersecting points x1 and x2. Now if we look at this region R, which is enclosed by these two graphs, from the points x1 and x2, we can see the total length around this region, that is the perimeter of this region, is the arc length of the green graph from point x1 to x2, which is L1, and the arc length of the blue graph from x1 to x2, which we call L2. Finally, the total perimeter will be the sum of these two arc lengths L1 and L2. That will give us the equation to solve this problem. Now let's revisit the formula of arc length. If we are given an explicit function f of x, the length of the function is given by length equal integration from points a to b square root 1 plus the first derivative of the function whole squared and dx. Now we have all the tools we need to solve this problem, and I hope you can take the problem from here and solve it yourself. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.